Hello everybody, welcome to TYCOONseries YouTube channel. I'm your host SESOTHO, and today we will be talking about Mjolo stories. And today we have Monica Dongwani who will be walking us through her journey of Mjolo heartbreak. Monica, how are you?
How are you, Mercedes? All right.
Welcome to TYCOONseries YouTube channel.
Thank you for having me.
Hi, Monica. We want you to walk us through your journey. Tell us, Mugeli, what happened? How did they hurt you? How did they rough cast that heart?
Hey guys, Mjolo ke Mjolo, right? But anyway, my story it's a bit hurting, hanyanyana, but thank God defeated.
Just don't cry, please.
Exactly. I would never.
Please.
Hey, it's way past that. So it happened. I think 2 years and couple of months ago. I was still in love, like happily in love, guys. It was amazing. It has been an amazing journey of 7 years. I think at some point, we were back in the country because at all. So now that we were back here, we had to do some things. I won't be disclosing like anything.
No problem.
So while I was busy, the documents and everything, he was we were okay. I actually thought it's a really mojo, you understand? And I remember even before that, and then
Okay.
and then I remember saying to him, the way ke bonang o so nrata ka teng ho feta dilemo tse kaofela, I feel like there's something bad that's going to happen between us. He was like, I never, baby, waka bona, nna le wena re sorted, re sharp. Girl, ebe ke be ke go ene le nako ntse tla to tsetsa go banana ba lawyer ba shenyana wa bona. Ebe ke re ela, ba ka nako tsetsa ho tlola dipitsa ho etsa. O tlotla o nhlala. It's like, no, it will never happen.
So you actually believed it was possible
I
for
was
somebody
actually-
to be with you?
I actually thought it's easy for girls who are bakaloya bashenyana.
Oh, okay.
You know, because
Interesting.
bashenyana ke batho ba mona, they don't even believe in okay, ke ane le ane ba ntse ba rapela or
Oh,
anything,
okay.
but guys are guys, you know.
No.
So anyway, I remember it was still okay, like normal. Ebe he ke qala la o thola this the text
From his phone?
from not his phone,
From your
from my phone, the inbox it's hlayang ho but when about our relationship.
Okay.
My relationship was so famous, but low key famous, if I may say. I don't know how to explain that, but but
Oh, I understand.
yes, in a jwalo. So anyway, people start asking me, Habo, motho wa hore monana le motho a itseng a itseng.
That's a bummer.
You know, so I don't believe in the rumors.
Yeah.
Which
Which is good because the third person will actually ruin your relationship.
everything,
you know?
exactly. Ha ke rate motho a tlo njwetsa ka taba tsa motho wa ka. So go ebe ntse ke sa di nkele hloohong
Yeah.
until this other time, ebe the girl that he was cheating me with, I saw posted pic tsa bona. So like the whole Facebook was like,
Okay, tell me. So you heard from other people that they actually saw him with somebody. And it happened that she posted him.
the pictures of them being together, like different events, and you know.
So it's been happening.
It's been happening behind
way
my
before
back.
you were even told.
Exactly.
Okay.
So I wasn't aware of it because you didn't talk on my side. They were normal, but not normal. In a little excuses that have been there in my relationship, so it was easy for me to know. This always happens. Baby dula aba busy and tweeting. You know, he was very good at covering it. Maybe it's because I think I trusted him way too much, so I didn't even mind. But now there's people bam forwarded at the pictures. So girl, I remember first time I you know what?
Hlanya in what way? In what way?
I don't know how to explain. Oh, it hits hard. It hits hard, and it's something you can't actually explain the feeling, but it's so sad. You feel like crying, but you don't want to cry. You're angry. mixed emotions.
But at this point, the documents tsa lona tsa ho etsa le boele kwa, were they already done?
Not done yet. Actually, I used to step up and do
so
things.
You were doing all the work and he goes out there and cheats. Wow.
Dude, imagine. So I took it to my heart.
Yeah.
Then I went, confronted him. Okay, the first one, in a photo shoot. I remember now. The first one, in a photo shoot.
The photo shoot that he didn't tell you about.
He didn't tell
Maybe
me
he
about.
Forgot. Let's just
for
assume.
some reason, it's like I do because in a never period the brand ba friend high. But I was like, what's about hand? How about the lava shinging about bumper hack? When I don't want to know fang hack. How were you close to that girl? Because
but he knew how to play it.
You
Let's
know?
agree on that.
Exactly.
He knew how to play it.
That was a good one. Hey. Yeah. Photo shoot. That's when I realized, oh no, something fishy is going on. So okay, fine. I had to confront Mutwaga. Hake mo confront. Come on, guys, we can all detect Leshana.
Yeah.
But obalo hope you now that you confront Mutwaga, stop.
Or maybe he'll just come out and say, you know, baby, it was a mistake. You know how it goes.
Thank you. So even he guys, okay, this is happening, but it's family, you know.
No.
I don't want it to happen.
He didn't.
You know we've been through this and this together. So family just that this girl so they don't understand and that.
And the pictures on different events, what does that say about them?
Oh,
him?
He actually excuse the sisters the family sponsor this whole things. Like in a little set up, like every time I want to know about a guy, the sisters will be like, no, here's the money.
So, did you buy the story though?
I didn't.
Then what did you do?
I didn't.
Moving forward,
what I did
was
like
had to move.
Exactly. I didn't buy the stories, but I beg mofa regardless of now like, okay, I feel like this is what's happening. I'm not going to fight with your family. I'm not going to fight with you. What I'm going to do, I'm going to step back. I'm stepping back.
No, fight for you. Fight for the relationship.
That's what I'm expecting. Go, drama of it. The minute saying I'm stepping back, drama so bad that body fake accounts, what. So I remember it was all over Facebook. So now I was like, she has money.
Oh,
so
is that so?
Exactly.
Okay.
I cannot tell it.
Then what about your partner? Did he have money?
He didn't.
He didn't have money.
Because
he
didn't.
Okay.
So a lot has happened in a month. Kile unaware. Okay. And then it's bad. So bad that it affected me health wise. I became really, really skinny. Mentally, I felt so alone because this person was my friend, was my boyfriend, was my brother, and also was a father because he was a leader in my life. He was everything.
Aish.
So even how it's all those things, I get to lose all of those people in one person. So it really, really, really broke me.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I tried but the drama was too much on Facebook.
So she took the pictures to Facebook, his and hers, and then now people got you involved somehow.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
So now it was too much, and Elsie was fighting me. I don't want to. She was fighting
directly me. Or indirectly.
Indirectly on Facebook. They were very personal, very cruel. So bad that I didn't understand.
Personal.
Very personal.
Did your person tell? Hey,
some things but ona sa movetsa dinnete but jwale motho hana di hlaisa batho o go nne ntho tsa ba yes ntho ne ya etsala in my life but jwale motho no jwale we bua in a o sa ekeditse o sa spicy you know o sitwa ho deny totally because how to tla o bua ka batswadi ba ka ba shweleng and then talk all other things behind that and then expect me to be okay about that. It just couldn't make it. So ilang kutlwisa bohloko haholo and I was weak. Oh my god.
Please don't cry because I'm going to cry with you.
I was weak, but hey.
It's whatever.
It's whatever, right? So time went by and I got to actually, you know what I was doing? Like I could sleep and feel like
Only bed was
kutulana. You know the kutulana?
Yes.
Kutulana was just here. In girl. I don't wish even my worst enemy gets emotionally into it.
Yeah.
It's very, very painful.
So how did you cope? How did you say, you know what, this is not worth it. This is not my life. This is not worth my mental health and you know.
What I did was I was praying a lot 2019. So how could this happen yet in a because I was feeling like we are about to get married with this person. So I might as well keep a relationship.
Yeah.
So if this happened, meaning there's something that actually God is trying to show me.
Yeah.
That I believed, okay, there's something in life. Even the precious thing, this is it. It's not healthy for you.
Yeah.
So I started believing, okay, this person, if he's meant to be in my life, he will be in my life. But if he's not meant to be in my life, then I have to let him go. So by me saying that, I started so there were these words you are a hardworking woman and I know you can make it. So I used those words to my advantage. I was like, I'm going to make it. And girl, trust. There I was, I just feel like, okay, now I'm going to work hard for myself. I'm just going to focus. If this person, but dude, he didn't
hurt you that much.
People don't understand I thought I knew why he did it.
Okay.
So the fact that I thought I knew, because I understood but lack of this, and then he found it from someone.
So you are an understanding woman. I like that.
Don't say that because people take advantage of it.
But I like it because if you are an understanding woman, it means so you can accommodate your person.
True.
You are saying, you know what, you can go out there and fend for yourself, and then but please just know that I'm here.
Respect me. Exactly. So I started healing that way, and then the other nice thing about the whole breakup thing, I got famous. And then I found a lot of love from other women. Yes. But when I don't exist. They thought there's just a Facebook page with some pictures, but this person don't exist. Now people got to know me. The business. I don't think they favor me.
So it means 120
guys.
That's an amazing thing.
The other amazing thing in what I remember after relationships, this girl once, she was pushing her I couldn't do that. I loved this person. I once loved this person. So if ka picture if
so tell me, Monique, so camera, all this saga, all this drama and everything, now did you ever get to meet up with him? Did you, like, oh hey, oh
okay, like it's very ridiculous for her and then all of a sudden house up and like he doesn't I remember I wanted to meet him this other time, so I trap I want to talk to him. I did excuse it, but I understood.
Yeah.
I feel like he's not ready to meet me, ready to face me.
Yeah.
Because a lot has happened and he still feels like it's his fault.
And the girl? Have you ever met her? Because if you are from Maseri, she's from Maseri, then...
Yeah, I've met her, but weird vibes until last time I feel like we're okay because
Are they still together though?
No, it only lasted 3 months. When
Oh, okay.
Imagine 3
Okay.
months over
Yeah,
7
well, with the
years.
drama involved, it wasn't gonna last.
Exactly, the foundation.
Yeah.
Was really sharp.
Yeah, it
So
wasn't.
I met the girl this other time, and I feel like we're okay. 'Cause I'm a forgiving
That's
person.
good. That's good.
Weakness, I'm a forgiving
You're a good person. I like that. Okay, Monica, thank you for coming here and sharing with us your journey on this your Mjolo pandemic.
I mean,
Girl. Okay, next week and the week after on every Friday, I'll be with you here. Same time, same place. Please subscribe and enjoy the Mjolo heartbreak story. And if you have some heartbreak that you wanna share with us, just text us, call us, whatever you can do.
Sorry.